3 plus 3 inside parenthesis gives us 6. 2 times 6 equals 12. And finally, 12 divided by 12 equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a division, multiplication and an addition operator present, but we also have parentheses present, and according to the rules, parentheses have highest priority over anything else. So let's solve what we have inside parentheses. We have 3 plus 3, that gives us 6. Our expression simplifies to 12 divided by 2 times 6. Now we have two operators present here, division and multiplication. According to the rules, multiplication and division both have equal level of priority, but we must work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first, because that's on the left side. So 12 divided by 2, that gives us 6. And finally, 6 times 6, that equals 36, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.